Everyone, this pile of mess in my living room, because we're pushed down to that end of the living room where normally we sit way back here. You'll see the projects are interfering with the holiday, and I'm not going to get to have Christmas here. I'm going to get to have it at my son's this year. We had Thanksgiving. I hope everybody had a good time. I did come in and paint this desk charcoal, and we're putting more wallpaper up there too. I got to get one more coat on these baseboards, and the windowsills took some serious love, but we're getting it today. So this is day 2 on this bedroom. I have gotten the paint on the walls. Haven't done the ceiling. I'm going to get it cut in, but right now I'm going to do the baseboards. I have a different paint for the ceiling, so I'm going to do the trim first. I have an eggshell paint for the trim, and then flat for the ceiling. So if I can get that done, then this room will be finished. Except for we're going to put wallpaper and a shelf up in this office space. So now I am going to prime these walls. We have really dark gray on 3 walls. And then the feature wall is basically black. I think it was called iron black or something like that. I don't know. Started to do the kilts, and I ran out of paint, and Kevin came in here and drywalled, did a bunch of, see the ceiling? We've got patching in the ceiling, and so he has to sand all that. I can't do that over my head. I've got a fused neck. I just can't do it. Okay.
Just for that.
You need the tape and the putty?
Wait a minute, I'm gonna let the sink back up. And this is a quick connect to connect the three together.
That's nice.
Yeah.
This is so nice. I'm so happy. Today's project is to get these boards primed, finish priming this wall and this wall I got to here. And for some reason, Kevin come back and slapped some mud on holes I had already patched and sanded off, so I get to do that again. I'm not complaining. Well, a little. Oh, one thing after another. But these boards here, now I'm going to prime these boards that are going to be our door facings.